What if artificial intelligence could help you go viral faster than ever before? Hey creators, JP here from Dynamic AI Tech. Today, I'm diving into a powerful AI tool called Syllaby.io, which is changing the game for content creators like you and me. What if I told you that this platform can generate viral short form video ideas, scripts, and even handle AI voiceover and video editing in just minutes? Let's check it out. So let's face it, going viral is hard. From finding the right hook, to crafting engaging scripts, to editing the video so it actually holds attention, it's honestly overwhelming. Most creators spend hours scripting, researching trends, and trying to come up with a title that hooks the algorithm. And even then, the video might flop. The biggest problem? Inconsistency and burnout. It's tough to stay relevant and creative all the time. That's exactly why I started experimenting with AI tools to help streamline the process. So that's when I found Syllaby.io, and here's how I used it. Step 1, I chose a niche. For me, it was AI tools and tech tutorials. Step 2, Syllaby instantly suggested dozens of trend video topics based on what people are already searching for. Step 3, it wrote keyword-rich scripts, suggested video hooks, SEO-friendly titles, and even let me auto-generate talking head videos or shorts using AI avatars and voice. I didn't need to film or write anything from scratch. So my videos have reached thousands of views in just a few days, and I barely touched a camera. The AI script nailed the pacing, the topic was exactly what people were searching for, and with barely any effort, I had a fully edited video ready to post. And I used Syllaby.io to create long-form videos as well. It doesn't only do shorts. Honestly, I felt like I had a full content marketing team behind me, except it was all powered by Syllaby.io. So what did I learn? AI just doesn't help you save time, it helps you create smarter, faster, and more engaging content. Syllaby.io took the guesswork out of going viral and gave me a roadmap to stay consistent without the burnout. So what do you think? Would you use AI to help you grow your channel? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos where I explore even more AI tools that can help skyrocket your content strategy. I'll see you all on the next video.